Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can enhance your driving experience and provide peace of mind, the Affver 4K dashcam. We found this impressive device online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Affver 4K dashcam? This compact front dash camera offers crystal clear 4K 2160p recording, ensuring that every drive is captured in stunning Ultra HD quality. Whether you're a family driver, a new driver, or even working as an Uber or Lyft driver, this dash cam is designed to provide reliable footage that can serve as crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this dash cam. One of the most impressive aspects is its 24-hour parking protection. By connecting the optional hardwire kit, which is sold separately, you can activate parking mode once your engine is off. This feature allows you to choose between collision-triggered recording, which activates upon impact, or a time-lapse mode for continuous low-power coverage. Whether you're parked at home or in a busy lot, you can rest easy knowing your vehicle is monitored around the clock. Another essential feature is the seamless loop recording combined with the Smart G sensor. This dashcam automatically overwrites the oldest clips when the memory card is full, ensuring you never run out of storage. But if a sudden collision occurs, the built-in 3-axis G sensor kicks in and locks those critical clips, protecting them from deletion so you have the evidence you need when it matters most. The Affver dashcam boasts a slim profile, which is perfect for discreet installation on your windshield without obstructing your view. Plus, the tool-free setup means you can install it with clear, step-by-step instructions, making it accessible even for those who may not be tech-savvy. And let's not forget about its superior night vision capabilities. With an f/1.6 aperture and WDR technology, this dashcam excels in low-light conditions, ensuring that you capture clear and sharp footage no matter the time of day or weather conditions, whether it's rain, snow, or night driving. So, who is this dashcam suitable for? It's perfect for anyone who values safety on the road, families looking to protect their loved ones, new drivers seeking confidence and security, rideshare drivers needing to document their journeys, or even just everyday commuters who want peace of mind while driving. In practical terms, this dash